90 days. Most people underestimate what can change in 90 days. 3 months is enough time to rebuild your habits, your focus, and your identity. 90 days. 3 months. Just a small fraction of your life. But what most people don't realize is that 90 days can quietly change everything. Not overnight, not with one big decision, but with small choices made every single day. Right now, somewhere in the world, someone is starting their 90-day journey. Not because everything is perfect, not because they feel confident, but because they are tired of living the same day over and over again. You know that feeling. Waking up, already exhausted. Scrolling through life instead of living it. Watching time pass while your goals stay exactly where they were last year. At some point, something inside you starts asking a dangerous question. What if I actually changed? Because deep down, you know the truth. Your life in 90 days will look almost exactly like it does right now. Unless you change something today. Most people wait for motivation. They wait for the perfect time. They wait until they feel ready. But the people who truly transform their lives understand something different. Change does not start with motivation. It starts with a decision. A quiet decision that says, for the next 90 days, I will show up differently. Day 1 feels awkward. You wake up earlier than usual. Your mind argues with you. Your habits pull you back toward comfort. The old version of you is still very strong, but you push forward anyway. Not because it's easy, but because you finally understand something powerful. Discipline is not a personality trait. It's a practice. Day 2, day 3, day 4. Nothing magical happens. No one notices your effort. Your life does not suddenly transform, but something invisible begins to grow. Momentum. Small actions begin stacking on top of each other. You read a few pages instead of scrolling. You go for a walk instead of staying on the couch. You finish a task instead of procrastinating. Individually, these moments feel insignificant. But together, they start reshaping your identity. After 2 weeks, the resistance begins to weaken. The early mornings feel less painful. Your focus improves. Your mind becomes clearer. You start noticing something surprising. You feel proud of yourself again. And that feeling is powerful. Because pride is fuel. It reminds you that you are capable of becoming someone stronger. 30 days into your journey, the outside world may still look the same. But internally, something has shifted. You trust yourself more. You keep promises to yourself. And that trust becomes the foundation of confidence. Not loud confidence. Not the kind that needs validation, but the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you are doing the work. Around day 40, the real test appears. The excitement fades, the novelty disappears, and suddenly the journey feels ordinary. This is the moment where most people stop.
They convince themselves that nothing is changing. They tell themselves it's not worth the effort. But the people who reach 90 days understand something crucial. The middle of the journey is supposed to feel boring, because transformation is not dramatic. It is repetitive. Wake up, show up, improve 1%. Repeat, day after day. Slowly, your habits begin running on autopilot. You start choosing growth without thinking about it. Your environment changes. Your routines become stronger. And the person you were 90 days ago begins to feel distant. By day 60, the transformation becomes visible. Your energy improves. Your focus sharpens. Your mindset expands. People might start noticing small changes, but they won't fully understand what happened because they did not see the quiet mornings. They did not see the difficult days. They did not see the discipline you practiced when no one was watching. But you know, and that knowledge builds an unshakable belief inside you. You are no longer waiting for your life to change. You are actively creating it. Day 70. Day 80. The finish line approaches. But something interesting happens. You stop counting, because the journey is no longer about 90 days. It has become part of who you are. You no longer need motivation to keep going. Growth has become your normal. Then one day, you reach it. Day 90. You look back at where you started, and the difference feels almost unbelievable. Not because your life suddenly became perfect, but because you became different. Your habits changed. Your mindset changed. Your standards changed. The person who started this journey 90 days ago would barely recognize you now. And that is the real secret of transformation. It doesn't happen in one moment. It happens through hundreds of small choices, quiet decisions, tiny improvements, repeated over and over again. 90 days from now will arrive whether you change or not. The question is simple. When that day comes, will you still be the same person? Or will you finally become the person you were meant to be? The choice starts today. 90 days may not sound like much, but in that time, habits can change, focus can return, and a new version of you can begin to emerge. The question is simple. Who will you be in 90 days? And now, here you are, still watching, still thinking, still wondering if this could actually be your moment. 90 days from now, your life will look different. That part is guaranteed. Time will pass anyway. Days will move, weeks will disappear, and before you know it, you'll be standing in the future you're creating right now. The only question is, what will that future look like? Will it be the same routine, the same habits, the same thoughts that kept you stuck? Or will it be something new? Because the truth is, you don't need a year. You don't need 5 years. You don't need the perfect plan. You just need a decision. A real one. The kind of decision that doesn't wait for motivation. The kind that doesn't depend on how you feel tomorrow. The kind that says, for the next 90 days, I am going to show up no matter what. No excuses. No overthinking. No starting over again next week. Just one commitment, one promise to yourself, to become better, one day at a time. Because if you can control your mornings, you can control your habits. If you can control your habits, you can control your life. And if you stay consistent, even when it's hard, even when it's boring, even when nobody sees it, you will become someone you never thought you could be. And one day, you'll wake up and realize something changed. Not all at once, not in one dramatic moment, but quietly, powerfully, completely. The way you think will be different. The way you move will be different. The way you see yourself will be different. And the life you once imagined will start to feel real. That is the power of 90 days. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now. Start today. Start with whatever you have. Because 90 days from now, you will either meet the same version of yourself or you will meet someone new. The choice is yours.